Alrighty guys, we're looking at the nucleic acid coloring. I know it says coloring on here. If you're doing it remotely, you're probably not going to worry about, exactly coloring in the lines per se. So you're going to go through, look at this reading here, and you're going to be answering a couple questions. So down here are the questions, and I put this in Cami, so you should be able to, use a text box and just double click, and then you can type whatever you want in there. But the answers, you should be able to find most of them up here in this reading. As you're going on down, it does give you some instructions. It says color the thymines orange, and this is the shape of the thymine. So if we move, let's see, over some, there's our little DNA. So I know it is very difficult to actually color things in, especially on the computer. What I want you to do here is not to worry about shading things in perfectly, but rather put the correct colored dot on each thing. So it says color the thymines orange. Let me make sure I have my correct color again here. That's the shape. So I'm going to click on orange. Probably want to go with drawing instead of text box. Now, if you're looking at this and your color isn't coming up, I think that's orange right there, but you can click on more colors, and here you have everything available to you. Let's see, that one looks like an orange there. It'll pop it over into your color palette, and then you're just going to click save. And that way, whenever you go to these, okay, there it is. That's what I'm clicking on. So I'm going to move on over here, making sure I have that little pointed one. So that would be like this one here. So I'm going to color that orange, and you could just put a little dot on each one. So you're not actually coloring the whole thing in, but I know that you read it and that you know which shape should be colored what color. Make sense? You can go back up here. It says color the adenines green. So green is in there, and you can use light green or dark green, whatever you want. And anything that matches with the thymines, because A's pair with T's. So I'll just put a little green dot on there. Just like that. That's how you guys are coloring it in. Don't make it more complicated than it needs to be. Okay? All right, guys, that is it for this one. I will talk to you later.